Hello everybody. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your add to cart button. As you can see right now, there's an animation, um, and I'm going to show you everything about it, what we can do. I'm working in the Dawn version 15.30, and for all the versions above these, this customization is working. And yeah, let's dive into it. So we are currently on the product page, and inside the product section, you have here this buy button block. And when you open it, you can see now that we have here an input field where we can change the button label to anything that we want, like add to cart, for example, and instantly update it. Then we can change here the background of the button and the text color. Then we have here this drop down version where we can decide to have no animation. We have here accept this shiny version. Then we have here pulse, bounce, and wiggle. Then we can increase the button font size from the label for mobile. It's updating here. The more I increase, the more the label is updating. And for desktop, we can also increase the size. Furthermore, we can increase here the body weight of the label, as you can see, and so on and so on. These kind of updates are very easy to do. You simply have to add the code snippet that I'm publishing in the link below to your theme editor, and I'm going to show you how you can do that very quickly. So right now I'm here in another Dawn theme, same version, and you can see there are no updates here. In fact, let's take out also the dynamic button. We don't need that. And now, yeah, you can see here not the same, nothing inside of the customizer. And now let's change that. So we go to the theme editor, click here on the three dots, and then click here on edit code. Then you will get here, and you will need to search for, the first thing is to search for buy button. Here, buy button. Then you will see here in the bottom buy button dot liquid, and this is the snippet file. Yeah, click here inside, and then you will see this is all the code that handles the buy button in a snippet file. So now search for buttons, and then you will see here the HTML tag button. Yeah, this HTML tag we have to exchange. Therefore, we go to the Word document and go here. Copy all that